Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check in online with Porter Airlines. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to check in online with Porter Airlines. The first thing to do is to open your preferred browser and go to www.flyporter.com. Once logged in on the home page, hover over the check-in button which we have in here. So you can go ahead and click on, let's say, manage flights, which we have here, and from manage flights head over to web check-in, or you can just head over to, just close the menu and just head over to check-in from here to check-in. So select the check-in tab, and once you click on the check-in tab which you have in here, you're going to see an option here that says confirmation number and last name. So over here, enter your confirmation number, and once you enter your confirmation number, head over here and enter your last name. Once you type in your last name, go ahead and click on check-in. Now see this, it says sign up for flight notification to upgrade your seat or pay for any baggage fee when you check in online. Fees are higher at the airport. So your confirmation number, your last name, and select the check-in button. And once you do that, it's going to show you the details of that trip. So once your trip is going to take a page where you have the details of the trip. Now, once your trip details are displayed, verify that all information is correct. If you haven't selected seats yet, this is usually the point where you'll be prompted to choose seats if desired. So review the baggage allowance and add any extra bags if necessary. Charges may apply, remember. Then confirm any additional services like travel insurance or meal preferences. After reviewing your booking, go ahead and click on check-in to proceed. Now you'll be asked to confirm the passenger information, including the name, date of birth, and nationality. Once check-in is complete, you will have the option to either download or print your boarding pass. You may also receive an email with the mobile boarding pass for easy access on your mobile phone. And if you have only carry-on baggage, you can proceed directly to the security checkpoint with your boarding pass. Now, if you need to check baggage, just go to the designated baggage drop counter at the airport. And that's it. Your online check-in for Porter Airlines is now complete and you're ready to travel. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.